I would 100% run for president, but then I wouldn't be able to rock. So by that I mean I wouldn't run for president.
I don't think there's a stipulation that says the president can't be in a band.
That would be fucking awesome. I want Dave Grohl as my vice president.
Son of a bitch, son of a bitch, son of a bitch.
We had an orange as president for like so, and now a senile man.
Anything but what we're doing right now sounds fucking awesome.
Remember, it's the land of the free and land of the dreams. You can dream anything and it will happen. Participation.
We need somebody with some real experience.
Donovan McNabb.
I want a living World War II vet to be our next president. Look at the touch.
Well done.
Look at the fucking touch.
Well done.
I know. Thank you.
Yeah. Nikki's hair looks fantastic.
Hey, we miss you too, Dev.
Not as good as yours, actually. I like pink hair. Wait, what's the Cowboys score?
7-0, I'm pretty sure.
Dan.
Yeah.
Beasley. Bend over.
Beasley's like, don't tempt me with a good time.
His face turned so quickly, you could tell he was so down.
Right now? Right now? Okay. Okay.
Katy Perry, California girl coach over here. Get out of here.
Okay, you liked my California weed, and I shared it with
I
you.
know, it's fucking awesome. I'm not playing. The only thing I send is postcards to my grandmother.
That's right, Beasley.
Your address, and I'll send you a postcard right back. What's that one Kid Rock song that got him famous? The bound to the down, Can you remix that? But like Southbound Beretta style? That would be cool.
That would be hard as fuck. I would be absurdly down.
That's just dan.
Yeah.
Look pretty to it.
My name is Cat.
No, it's Southbound Beretta.
You gotta come out and shoot a bunch of Bud Light.
I will not be a part of an absurd ass fucking thing.
Shoot the fucking 9 milli. Let it rattle off, bro.
Are we even legal?
Yeah.
No way!
Oh my god.
Let's go, dude! That was hype as shit. We're back, baby! We're back! Dude, it's not the time for the fucking Macarena. This is like after a field goal or a touchdown. Vibes are high, dude. Vibes are not high in the game right. Fuck me! God damn it. Turn this fucking song off. Jesus. Be there, be there, be there, be there. Oh, piss!
Does it smell like when we have sex?
Is that what I sound like when I have sex? I don't think so. Maybe? Be there! Be there! You're doing great!
Be there, be there, be there.
Remember to hydrate! I hope you stretched before this! Be there! Be there!
Wait, where even are you?
Me?
No, I know where you are, Mike.
I'm at home.
I know where you are, Mike.
Dude, I'm upstairs. I'm at my fucking house, dude.